Okay, so this is homeowners insurance. I want to start with the vocab first. Homeowner insurance obviously is going to cover a home when you buy it. Usually the bank requires it if you have a mortgage loan on it to protect their investment, but the bigger thing is even if you didn't have a mortgage, you would want to protect it. Personal property damage, that's any of the property of the home that gets messed up from something. Personal liability, that's like, let's say you had a dog and a dog bit a neighbor in your backyard. That's personal liability coverage. Medical coverage if someone at your home slipped and fell and hurt themselves. Loss of use coverage, that happens if, let's say there was a flood in your house and you couldn't occupy it. So insurance company usually puts you up in a hotel or something along those lines. And then replacement value is a figure that's figured out on what it takes to replace what needs to be replaced at the end of the day. So we have a formula that we need to figure out what replacement value is, because replacement value is what you pay insurance on. And the idea here is nothing will happen to the dirt or the land. So the reality is it would be the structure that would need to be repaired. So replacement value times the insured percent is the amount of coverage on the home. So in example 1, we have a $194,000 home, and it's 8%. So we multiply it out by 8%, 155, 200 is what the amount of the coverage on the home is. And then in this case, it's 50%. If you look at the table that's in your handout, there's different percentages for different type of insurance amounts. And so this one is just dealing on the coverage of the personal property. So we take the 152,000 times it by 50%, it's 6,000. So this is the amount of what they're paying on the coverage. Make sense? Okay. And that's it. Really the only thing that's different is some of the questions are going to ask you different types of coverages that are over in here, and that table has the percentage for you guys to go and multiply those out and figure those out. Okay? Okay, that's it. So 10-6, next 2 days, you want it to be through question 8. You don't have a lot of questions through 18 tomorrow. And then we're going to go into the premium. So we're going to take all this information, figuring out what the coverages are, and then figuring out how much it costs in the premiums. Yep.
There's only 16 questions.
Oh, is there? Okay. Oh, so 8 and 8. I'll change that. Okay, good. Good talk.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.